If you're looking to register for spring programs, here are a couple of searching tips that you may find helpful. First, go to register.ottawa.ca. From the main screen, you may sign in, sign up. To browse our programs, click on Activities. From the Activity Search page, click When, then under Season, click View More. For swimming lessons, check the Spring Aquatic 2023 tab. For all other programs, click on Spring Non-Aquatics tab. Select Apply. The Where tab lets you pick a facility. The Who tab is to select an age range. There are also additional refining options under the Activities tab. Finally, the map view may be helpful if you wish to find a program near you. Thanks!